Alright, so we finna get off into this TEMU unbagging and unboxing thing. I appreciate everybody for coming out. Shout out to TEMU for whatever it is that they doing, man. Whatever it is that they doing, man, it is working. So first part that we got right here, mechanic hourly rate sign, 100 an hour minimum. 100 an hour is the minimum, 150 an hour if you watch, 175 an hour if you help, 200 an hour if you worked on it first, 250 an hour if you tell me how to do my job. So that's nice sign. Matter of fact, let me look. I'm gonna browse back through here and tell y'all how much it was, because I don't remember the price for the individuals thing. So if we pull up on the TEMU, I don't know what to do with this. I'm just trying to go to the home page. All right, your orders. All right, so this sign was, let's talk about this ready for review, man. Can I? Let's see. Like, what if I was just trying to, I don't know, buy it again or something? Alright, so we gonna skip that part. We will not say the prices, but it's TEMU. It don't cost a lot of money. Just wanted to show a different aspect of some stuff you can get from TEMU that might appeal to the fellas. So mechanic sign, hourly rate, that'll go up. No, I do not work on people's cars, so don't get no ideas. Next thing up on TEMU is, I ain't gonna lie, I think I just kind of went through there and started picking shit. And now, oh, okay. So I think this is like a sign here. So this sign says, is 5 o'clock somewhere. So there's another sign. I thought this said it's 4:20 somewhere. I think I was gonna order that shit for my sister for like a Christmas gift or some shit, or a Thanksgiving gift. I don't fucking know. Maybe it's in here somewhere. I have no fucking clue. All right, next package. This is going to be the what the fuck is that? Little in the middle, but it got much bite. Alright, so this is an LED strip. I think this is supposed to go around the back of the TV. I think I got this for my son, but I mean, it's supposed to plug into something, I would assume. So we'll put that right there. Maybe that's just one part of it. I don't know. Where's my box cut at? But it's not the box cutter. These some dikes. I don't know what that was. Ooh. Hope it didn't break. Yeah. So this one is like a little night light. Night light lamp or whatever. That says can't hear you, I'm gaming. So I got that joint for my son. He's gamer. Like he almost don't come out of his room for much else, which is fine with me, you know. Also next up for bid, it is a GPS tracker. I guess you could try this, put this in vehicle, motorcycle, whatever it is that you need, so that you can try to find out exactly where it is in the event that it gets took. Something like that. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. This is okay. Well, I know what it was supposed to be. I don't know if that's what it is. So this is supposed to be a holster, right? Like a Velcro holster. I don't even know if that's fucking real Velcro. But it don't stretch, so it don't even fit. So I just have to keep my gun on the seat like everybody else. But maybe I'll give it to somebody. Yes. So this is one. It is. What the fuck is all these little clips in here? I don't know. It's like some extra. I feel like it's some extra stuff in here or something. Oh, okay. There's the other parts of that controller. I guess looks like that's the remote part, but I don't know. Yeah, that's interesting. But yeah, that's the other part of the LED lights for behind my son's TV. So he into the gaming, so he want the little setup thing. So this is, oh shit. Look at that. I don't know what all these little extra clips and shit is for. Like, so this one right here is supposed to be a headlamp. Charges by USB-C. And it pretty much just goes, I guess, on your head like this while you're working on the car, and then boom. Oh yeah, that's bright, nigga. That is bright. So you got two different lights on this bitch. Let me tighten it up some. Two different lights on that bitch. And you can open, hold on, not open. You can kind of tighten it. Well, let me get it tightened up a little bit first. All right. So yeah, that's boom. That's right. It could probably be a little tighter, but you know, whatever. You know what I'm saying? So it ain't like the big bulky joint, you know what I'm saying? And it's gonna have like a wider range, or what the fuck is the button? Boom. Yeah, that's bright. Can you see that? And then you got the side light. You know what I'm saying? Boom, boom. You know what I'm saying? I got 2 of these bitches for like not a lot of money. So good on that one. Good LED lighting headset. Like I said, people be buying TEMU, like stuff off of TEMU, and y'all know that it really don't get no cheaper than me. Over the years, I've been pretty cheap. Here recently, I kind of been splurging a little bit, but yeah. Let's see what else we got in here. So this here is it's a wallet. So this one is, I guess, reminiscent or similar to like the Groove wallet. I don't know if it actually RFID blocks anything, but it is red and black. Those is my favorite colors. So I grabbed a wallet off a team for the low, and there you go. What else? Yes. So I did. So I don't know if y'all seen that dude on TikTok, right? He the one that made me buy these. Well, he didn't make me buy them. I was just like, if those is the one that he bought. So I don't know if y'all noticed, a lot of stuff that be on TEMU also be selling in the fucking TikTok shop for a higher price. I don't know if y'all realize that. So I really feel like TEMU is like a wholesaler site. I mean, you could probably get it for cheaper than that stuff if you found like the source, but yeah. But yeah, this dude on TikTok, he be just like around like wherever, bro, and then he'll just start lining himself up. I'm like, what the fuck is going on? So I don't think this is the same one. So like at first, I mean, I'm not gonna lie, like at first impression, like it's a plastic exterior. Well, maybe not a plastic, but I guess all clippers are plastic. Comes with some guards. That's crazy. Comes with a guard, some instructions, a little brush, a little charger. This one is not USB-C, and this one is but that motherfucker is working. See that? That is crazy, right? Alright, so we're gonna give it a little baby test. Got some hairs here on my hand. Oh, now that motherfucker cutting. Oh yeah, that be cutting. Okay. Okay, TEMU. Alright, TEMU, you know what I'm saying? So now I just be walking around and be like, oh shit, you know what I'm saying? Get a little edge of, okay. I mean, it's not made out of metal, but I mean, if it works, then it fucking works, bro. I mean, and it ain't nothing but for the fucking like line up anyway, so line up or trim or whatever. Yeah, that's all I got in my bag for this TEMU haul. So I'm be looking for some more stuff on TEMU, and we'll do another haul. Shipping don't take a real long time. It ain't like Amazon Prime next day or nothing like that, but it's decent, I guess. It's not like stuff that would come from China that I would forget that I even ordered. Y'all know back in the day from eBay, things like that. But yeah, so if you're thinking about it, then definitely check out the TEMU app. There's some pretty cool stuff on there, and you can go from there. Well, I will catch y'all on the next video, whatever it is that may be, and yeah, we out. Gone. All right, what's good, people? It's your boy. We back for another video. I like this lens. Like I ain't even gotta like move the camera like all crazy out effortlessly. Like I can just have it right here. It's gonna catch the whole frame. New lens, who this? You know what I'm talking about? I also got the mic set up so that we can mount the camera, and then we can kind of walk away, but the quality of the audio does not have to change. So of course, you know, like I know, well, you might not know like I know, but I'ma learn you. I'ma learn you today. So basically what it is that I guess there's a lot going on, and I'm trying to straighten up my garage. But first, I ordered some stuff from TEMU, so we're gonna get into that right quick, and then we'll move forward from there. So let's see what we got.